Allow me to take you to the village for a minute.
Okay guys, as you can see, the hair is from ISEEHAIR. I'll leave the details in the description box. This wig is for a client, like I said in the caption. So I am going to bleach it with my BW2 and my 30 volume developer. And really, I like to mix it until it's like a little creamy but not too like watery, so you know it doesn't bleed through the lace and anything like that. And I'm just mixing it until, you know, everything, like, I don't see any powder. I don't want to see any powder. And you see how it drops? That's how you know it's perfect. It's perfection. Now I'm gonna, you know, use the spoon I took from Chipotle. Man, when I go to Chipotle, I just go boom, boom, boom in that spoon bucket. But yeah, I'm gonna use the spoon I got from Chipotle and apply the bleaching agent throughout the lace. Now I don't like to lay it on thick. I know like a lot of YouTubers say lay it on thick. You know, I don't like to do that. I really would rather it be like a little thin layer that also reduces like the chances of it over bleaching and stuff. But that's how I prefer it. And I'm just gonna, you know, cover up the lace with bleach and leave it to, you know, process for, I think I did it for about 30 minutes. And then, you know, as you can see, it was starting to like slightly bleach a little bit. Now my client is a little darker than me, so I'm not going to let it bleach to where it's exactly blonde. And yeah, and you see how nicely bleached it is. I washed it out with a neutralizing shampoo and my shimmer lights. I like to smack my you know, my wig head for good luck. So that was that. Well, that was a little snap for good luck. And now I'm just gonna pin the closure down. I pin it on the top half, two sides. Sorry, these nails are just hard to work with. But yeah, I just pin it on that top and that side, and then I start in the middle to sew down the closure. And that's the only time I'm gonna knot up. The thread is in the middle when I start. And as you can see, I'm just going in with loops. Until I get to the other end, and then I knot it up. And now when I start off with the wig, I try to start in the middle, like directly in the middle, and I only one up it. So as I get towards the top, I start doubling up. Now I lost the footage where I started doubling up at, but yeah, it's usually till I get to the middle part of the wig that I start doubling up the bundles. But I was just singling it. It was just single wefts all the way through. And I think I prefer to do single wefts because the back of the wig, like, usually, you know, that's how like it gets matted and stuff when it's too thick in the back. So single wefting and literally distancing each track is really the best way to avoid that. Yeah, so this is the wig, fully constructed. She didn't really want me to customize the closure that much, so I just pretty much left it basic. But I did style the wig. She wanted me to curl it, so I'm gonna use my Cream of Nature heat protectant and I forgot where I got that curling one from, but the way I curl, I like the hair to be completely flat on the wand, so the curls can come out more like beach wave. I mean, yeah, like a beach wave, beach curl type of way. Like, I love that. So let's try to do that. And then towards the top, when I get to the right side, I'll curl to the right side, towards the right, and then when I get to the left side, when I get to the left side, I curl towards the left side. I'm not explaining that. Do you see how beautiful those curls are looking? What? You can't lie. This one is amazing. I really don't remember where I got it from. Okay, as you can see, as I get closer to the closure, I'm trying to get like the back of the closure to fall flat, so I'm pressing down with the wand and then curling the weft after, like behind it. And as you can see, my client looks good and she feeling herself with the wig. Like, come on now, you can't tell her nothing. Can't tell her nothing. Look at the hair though. ISEEHAIR is honestly one of my favorite hair companies, and that's like honestly just, it's my favorite companies. But if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button, and I'll catch y'all in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.